3, 2, 1, lift off.
When it comes to UK drone technology, the sky's the limit. From entertainment to conservation and energy security, drones are helping to elevate our capabilities in many sectors, allowing us to achieve otherwise impossible things. SKYMAGIC has put on mesmerising displays at both the Queen's Jubilee concert and King's coronation. Their light drone shows are animated by specialist software that translates into synchronised flight patterns, providing a magical, more sustainable alternative to firework displays. From the skies to the seas, drone technology is also helping to preserve offshore wind turbines thanks to BladeBUG's advanced robots, who assist technicians in their inspection and repair processes. As the turbine industry continues to grow alongside the need for clean energy, BladeBUG is helping to ensure the safe, scalable growth of the offshore wind industry. Coming into land, conservation AI's technology is being developed in the UK, but is being used across the world. Their drones use thermal cameras and heat signatures to detect animals, which are then classified using AI. Their tech goes beyond tracking endangered species and is also being tested for use in search and rescue operations. We've got our sights set high for the future of UK drone technology.